Joe here with Get Hired Career Coaching with another episode of Meet Your New Teammate. Today, I'm here with Aditi Nanaware, who is a master's student at CU Boulder getting ready to graduate in December 2024. So, Aditi, tell me about yourself. Where did this passion for getting a master's in electrical engineering come from?
I did my bachelor's in electronics and telecommunication. Also earned a minor degree in computer engineering. I always knew I wanted to, work with electronics, but also do some coding. So yeah, that is how I decided with my bachelor's program. And while I was in my bachelor's, I learned about microcontrollers and RTOSes through my course.
Nice.
And that is when the light bulb moment happened, and embedded system just clicked. And I realized that I could do coding, but also tinker with hardware. That is what I always wanted to do. So yeah, that is how I decided to pursue masters in embedded systems and IoT. And yeah, I'll be graduating soon. I'll be graduating this December 2024.
Awesome. Well,
Yeah.
good. Well, now that you're getting ready to graduate, what type of roles have you been applying for?
Um, so my strong is embedded software and embedded firmware, while I also have knowledge about embedded hardware. So I think my best fit would be applications role, but I'm also looking for roles like embedded software or embedded firmware, along those lines. So yeah.
All right, wonderful, good. And I know, Aditi just finished up 2 back-to-back internships at Advanced Energy. Aditi, tell me about that experience. How was that? What was one of your key takeaways?
The experience was amazing. Yeah. I got to work on real world projects, and got to apply my skills that I learned through my master's course. So, yeah, it was a great learning. I spent 2 semesters there, so I learned a lot. And it's not just like the technical skills, I also learned about problem solving skills or critical thinking, for example. Yeah, it was a great experience. My key takeaway would be how much I grew as an engineer, not just like working on projects, but collaborating with people and learning from them. So yeah, that is the experience I wouldn't trade.
Wonderful. Well, good. Now that you're going to be having a master's and 2 internships under your belt, what makes you stand out as a candidate, aside from everybody else?
um, I would say that would be my curiosity to keep learning. That would stand me out as a candidate. I'm always curious to learn something. If something is not working, for example, I'm not satisfied with just fixing it. I need to know why it did not work in first place. And I believe all engineers, the one key thing is they should constantly learn and adapt, right? So yeah, I think that would be my one skill which stands me out. And now that I have like the technical knowledge from my master's course, and I have also applied it to some of my academic projects, and now I'm ready to apply it for real world projects and actually make an impact. And while I do so, I plan to learn on every step I take.
All right,
So
good.
yeah.
That's good to hear. And now, of course, we've got the candidate piece, and I know you're excited to apply everything that you've learned, on site. So tell me about that. What's going to make you a good teammate with everything that you've been learning?
I have worked with different peoples, also people from different age groups. Like for example, helping students out in their embedded projects as a graduate teaching assistant. While I've also collaborated in bigger team as a team player, for example, in my internship. So I would say my what makes me a good teammate is my ability to adapt to different roles. So that would be one. And the one most crucial is the communication skills, of course. That is like a foundation for a team player. So yeah, I believe I'm good at that. Talking about communication, this one line that comes to my mind is, I heard it somewhere. It goes like this: I would rather hire a great communicator with average technical skills rather than hiring someone with great technical skills but poor communication. So yeah, I think that says it all, right? So while I have like good technical foundation given my masters, communication skill is something that allows me to collaborate with my teammates, and that's how we make that project successful. So yeah, that's good.
All right, awesome. Well, hey, thanks for that. And I know you got the technical skills with the masters and the internships. And of course, I've helped Aditi through the 2 internships at Advanced Energy, so I know she knows how to communicate. So she is getting ready to graduate here in December. So if you have any upcoming roles of interest in firmware, electrical engineering that are going to be open, Aditi would be a good fit for, please feel free to reach out to her via LinkedIn or email. You can contact her through this information here or in the message of this video. So thanks again for watching. Hope you have yourself an amazing day. Take care.